Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use a Rinseroo slip-on shower attachment hose to do some great and easy spring cleaning around the house. Today we'll be showing you how to clean your window screens with a Rinseroo inside your shower. So you can save yourself the time and aggravation of hauling them all outside, rinsing them somehow with a hose, bringing them back in. Or maybe you don't have access to a hose, so you're in an apartment, you need to clean a couple window screens. The Rinseroo is an easy way to do that. So first what we'll do is we're going to attach this to the shower head. It'll fit shower heads that are about 6 inches, up to about 6 inches in diameter. It slips on in seconds. Just stretch the connector and on it goes. It's ready to go. And then we'll go over to the window and remove the screen. I already cleaned this one this morning, but this morning this was full of dust. I generally try to clean them about once a year. It was full of dust and just stuff from the environment that comes through and gets trapped. So I'm gonna take this in, just bring it on into the shower, turn on the Rinseroo, and instantly you can get rid of all the dust and dirt that's collected over the course of a year. You get it done in seconds. You might want to get a little sponge or something to get the nooks and crannies and the crevices and whatnot. Spin it around. And it's all done. Turn the water off. And then what I did is I just kind of left it here, gave it a good shaking and tapped it a bit. Most of the water will come out. And then I left it for about an hour or so and it was totally dry and I just put it back in the window. Again, this is the Rinseroo slip-on shower attachment hose. It's great for cleaning your screens. It's also great for rinsing the shower real quickly, keeping the shower door super clean and shiny, cleaning pets, filling buckets from sinks. There's a lot of uses. It's a great tool for spring cleaning, the Rinseroo.